Shankar wants to know how safe are liquid funds to park his emergency reserve funds instead of savings bank account. Secondly, he has SRPs in equity funds, and in some funds, the corpus has grown beyond rupees 10 lakh. So, should he continue with his SIP in these funds, or do you suggest a cap on the corpus in a single fund?
Well, to answer his first question first, liquid funds are generally suitable to park your emergency corpus. Of course, they don't provide any guarantees of any kind, but the risk of losing your capital is fairly negligible. And as I've said earlier, these days their returns are somewhat similar to what you get from a savings bank account. And some investors have been wondering, and they ask us what's the merit of investing in a liquid fund when the returns that you're getting these days are similar to a bank account. So that's something that you have to be mindful of. And this trend, as I said, that may just continue for a few more quarters before liquid funds start yielding some extra returns over and above a savings bank account. So that's one. Now coming to the second part of his question, about switching out of a fund or reducing allocations. Well, I would suggest that he should not be guided by a specific sum in rupee terms, but he should be guided by the percentage allocation of a fund in his overall portfolio. So for funds which are in a core holding role, so funds like large cap funds or multi cap funds, the allocation of a single fund can be well to the tune of 30-35% in a portfolio, while funds which are more suitable for a supplementary role in the portfolio, the likes of mid cap funds and the small cap funds, there one should aim to have an allocation in a single fund of about 10-15%. So he can be guided by this framework, and if he thinks that some funds are significantly breaching these kind of limits, then he can consider balancing things out a little bit, and that he can do without really redeeming these funds, but simply by altering the incremental SIPs.
Okay.